In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a line under the header in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. This is a document that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add a header with a line under it. To add a header, double-click on the top empty spot of the page. Now type your text here. Select the text you just typed. Now align the header to the center of the page. In the title bar, click on Format. In the drop-down menu, click on Paragraph Styles. In the pop-up menu, click on Borders and Shading. In this pop-up, you can select the position for your line. As I want a line under the header, I will select this down position. Change the border width to your needs. In my case, I will change it to 3. In the Border Dash section, you can select some other types of lines too. In the Border Color section, you can select a color for your line, but I will leave it as it is. After you are done, click on Apply. Here you can see that I have added a line under the header. If you want to remove the line from here, double-click on the header area. Now go to the Borders and Shading menu just like before. Turn off the down border and click on Apply. Here our line has been removed. Following these steps, you can add a line under the header easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.